In the middle of the petrochemical production facilities at the Huntsman site in Rosenburg lies the TenneT Merseyweg high-voltage station.
That means we are located within a chemical plant and we have an open high-voltage installation.
The station has 7 connections, 5 of which are customer connections. These customers depend upon this electrical flow to carry out their production processes.
Last year we were made aware of problems with the installation. Therefore, it was necessary to come up with a special maintenance plan to restore the power station to its optimum performance.
Jules is actually a contractor for the ENG company and does everything in the field of complex, medium and high voltage, from engineering to management and maintenance.
And that is exactly what needs to take place at Merseyweg 10, a major servicing. Jules goes to work, from consultation with customers to ordering parts and everything else to avoid any surprises during service and maintenance.
So Jules is put into place with a very short lead time, an excellent plan by which our teams can perform great service maintenance, working under high voltages, while observing the most stringent health and safety standards.
Because we're dealing with TenneT's industrial end customers, who depend on their power supply for their business processes, we need to ensure that our maintenance work will be adapted as much as possible to accommodate the customer's business processes. In consultation with end customers, we have chosen to offer around-the-clock servicing to minimise their inconvenience and to allow their power to be restored as quickly as possible.
And that's what Jules does, using a constructive group training seminar to develop teamwork and communication. Various exercises are undertaken with the goal of creating a strong team where everyone understands each other and can take the initiative to intervene when necessary.
Since we're working in the midst of an industrial environment, it is important for Jules that all safety guidelines are fully understood. But even more so because here we are dealing with a petrochemical plant. So yes, we made certain to have a tightly integrated team assembled before we began to carry out our work.
Within the marked area, the electricity has been shut off and the well-prepared teams get underway. Dismantling, repairing, testing, cleaning, lubricating and replacing. A telescopic crane is used for replacing the heavy insulators.
Each high-voltage station, of course, has its own switching relay panels. So we do this type of work on a daily basis. What makes this type of work unique is simply the environment and the fact that each switching panel is not directly accessible. What's more, we can perform this kind of work anywhere in Europe.
Step by step, Jules and its partners have successfully completed the maintenance plan. An uninterrupted supply of power is thus ensured. No accidents, no harm to the environment, and carried out within the agreed time frame.